Good morning, friends. Welcome to virtual learning. We are going to miss seeing you guys in person, but together we're going to learn online. I'm going to share with you how to set up how to get to your Google Classroom, and then just a little bit about the Google Classroom platform. So when you get onto your Chromebook, boys and girls, you're going to have to sign in. If you have a Chromebook, it's S and then your lunch number at providenceschools.org. And then enter your password, which is probably school20 with no spaces. If you have a laptop, we'll say Dell on it, then your username and sign in will be the same. It's RFKLAB for the sign in and the password. So once you get onto your computer, I want you to click onto Google Chrome, which will be someplace over on your screen. It has yellow, red, green. And then up here in the corner, you're going to probably see your initial. So to get to Google Classroom, we're going to come up here to the right-hand corner, and I'm going to call this the waffle. You're going to click on the waffle. And once you click on the waffle, you're going to look for the icon that says Classroom. It should be near the top. If it's not, you can toggle up and down in here to find it. So you click on Classroom, and then your screen will come up. This is my screen, and there's a lot on here. You're probably not going to see all of this, but you're going to look for your teacher's name. So your teacher's name will have her name up at the top or his name up at the top, and down here in the corner, they'll invite you, so you probably just have to click accept. And then once you click accept, you'll get into your classroom. I'm going to show you around this classroom. So you've clicked accept and you're in your classroom. It's going to look something like this. At the top of the screen is your menu. This is your stream page that you'll see every day. Next to that is your classwork page. And on this page will be the assignments that your teacher has assigned. Next will be the people page. So you'll see the students in your class's names over here. And the last column will be your grades. So let's go back to the stream page. And at the top will be a teacher's name, and then she will probably have sent you a message over here. So on this page here, I have the video about Google Classroom. If you scroll down a little bit further, there's a little message. Hi friends, I'm glad you made it to our online classroom. We're going to have some fun learning with videos and Google Forms. On this stream page, you're probably also going to see an attendance question each morning. So your teacher will have something on there for you to answer, and that's our way of getting attendance. Next, if you click your classwork page, you'll be able to click on an assignment. So if I click on Liberty Kids, over here is an assignment for today. Your teacher might have posted a due date over here, and then the directions. Watch the video and answer the question on the Google document. Here's the video that you'll watch, and here's the Google document. So if I click on the video, you'll be able to watch the video. And then once you're finished watching the video, you go back and then you answer the questions on the form. So this form is kind of just like having a piece of paper in front of you. So at the top will be the title, there might be some directions. Anytime you see a red star, that's something that you're required to do. So you have to make sure you do that or it won't let you submit your answers. So you'll type in your name and then just answer the questions. Who are the main characters? Why did the Boston Tea Party happen? Once you've answered all the questions, you'll scroll to the bottom and click submit. And you can see mine is not going through because I have not answered all of the questions on the page. So you go back and you answer the questions and click submit. Once you have clicked submit, your teacher will have all of your answers and be able to review your work. I hope this is helpful. Be good.